Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I want to show you how to hide a photo on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. Hiding photos on your iPhone or iPad is really easy and it's really straightforward. So let me show you how to do this. You can do this by going into your photo library first. Now browse through your photos and select which photos you want to hide. Tap on select at the top right and then choose your photos. You can choose multiple or you can choose one. Then tap on the share icon at the bottom left, scroll down and tap on hide. Then confirm it one more time. After this, you'll notice the photos will disappear from this screen. However, if you tap on albums, you will see this folder called hidden. Tap on that and you will see all your hidden folders. Now if you want to hide it, this folder shouldn't be there at all. So you have to do one more step after this. Go back to the home screen and tap on settings. Now scroll down and tap on photos. Scroll down and where it says hidden album, make sure this is turned off. Toggle the switch to the left hand side to turn it off. Now go back to the photo library app and you'll notice the hidden folder will then disappear from the album tab. Now you can go back to your photo library and keep hiding more photos. The photos will automatically go into the hidden folder and it won't appear in the album tab. And that is how to hide photos on your iPhone or iPad running iOS 15. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If this was helpful to you, please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below if this worked for you. Please consider subscribing and turn on bell notifications to see more videos like this. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.